Yo, what is up, guys? Just hopping on here, about to give you guys a quick crypto market update for the day. I'm in my watch list. I have a few that I trade with on and off. In the future, if you guys want to give me a ticker or a coin that you want me to do a little review on, so we can kind of see where it's going in the short term, just drop them in the comments. Let me know, and tomorrow I'll do another one. I'm in California, so 7:30 p.m. Pacific time is usually when I'll be posting the videos. So yeah, send me whatever coins you guys are currently looking at. But to get started, I'm a big fan of Tron. So like today we went through a little massive correction. So right now, real quick, if you note, I'm on the 15-minute chart. So in the short term, I'm kind of watching this to make a little trade right here. But with the previous low about an hour and a half ago was at 74.50. So if we establish a higher low, we're technically on our way out of this downtrend, but we would have to rise above this previous high right here, which is sitting at about 10,900. So we're establishing the low right now. So support holds, and then we go up higher than this. If we make a higher high than this, we're looking good. So if we come out here, this might be the bottom. You never know. If this support breaks down here, 74.50, we're going to see some more downside. But I have a hunch that we're almost coming out of this. I follow, what's his name, the founder on Twitter, and he posted something. Justin Sun, he's the founder of Tron. He posted, hey, we have a major partnership announcement this week. It's the first time we partner with a publicly listed company. So I imagine he's going to announce this on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And sorry about my phone. That's unprofessional as all hell. So I'm looking at the 1 day chart. And if we're looking at this, it's kind of, it fell through that support. I doubt we're going to test these levels way down here. There's a chance we do. We're talking in the 5,000 Satoshi levels. I don't think it's going to go that low. All right, so looking at Tron on the 1 day chart, that way we can kind of predict where this is going in the next couple of days. If 70, the low of this candlestick was 7,500. If 7,500 Satoshi breaks and this support does not hold, we can expect to even go as low as the 4,200 range. So a word to the wise, if this doesn't hold, I'm probably, I sold out of Tron at 9,111. I'm probably going to buy back in. If it doesn't hold, I'm probably going to buy anything sub 7, and then get ready for the next leg up. Right here we have the bearish MACD cross. So we're still in the downtrend, but when Justin Sun announces that partnership, we're probably going to see a bullish move up. So I definitely want to be in Tron for when that announcement does happen. So we'll look for that in the next couple of days. But right now we might see some more downside, but we're getting there. We're getting to the bottom. The correction, it's mandatory. Nothing goes up 130% without coming back down a little bit. So this is all healthy. And a lot of people are freaking out like, oh my God, is crypto rigged? No, it's not. When things rise, look at this huge leg up all the way up here. Like that's 10x what it was. So it's going to come down a little bit and settle. Moving on real quick. Another one I trade, we could check out XRP. A lot of people are Ripple fans, but this looks ugly to me. I could see a lot more downside here. This is a 1 day chart. You already have the bearish MACD cross, so it lost the 25-day moving average support, and yeah, it's not looking good. So think about it. In the next couple of days, all of these are going to be trending down. It's the next support for Ripple is in the 13,000 Satoshi range, or I'm sorry, not 13,000, 133,000 Satoshi range, and so it's probably going to hit that tonight, if not, probably tomorrow. And so if that support breaks, we're looking to come down over here to these next couple of lows over here at the 88,000 level, which would probably be half of $1.99. So hold off on buying Ripple. There's going to be some more downside. You could probably pick Ripple up below $1.50 in the next couple of days. So Ripple 150 or lower in the next couple of days, probably a good buy. And let's see what else we got over here. XVG, Verge is a big one that I'm following. I love the upside to Verge. I love the white papers. I love the technology behind it. But right now, we're looking at let's go to the 30-minute chart. So yeah, pretty much just set a low here. This one's kind of trading sideways. This is more of a long-term investment for me. I don't really trade Verge, but if you guys want to like a good long-term investment, this would be the one. It's kind of consolidating. You see a higher high, a lower high, and a lower high, but you also see, you see a low, a higher low, and this is kind of it's a little bit lower than a low, so it's kind of making a flag right here. This you can kind of see a bull flag. Let me show you a good example of that. Bull flag pattern. When you see this candlestick formations that look like this, you can get ready for the next leg up. So you can kind of see it looks like a flag. You have a huge leg up, which we had right here, right? And then you can kind of see it forming a triangle flag. And so when you do see that, when you do see that, what happens usually following? A nice little run up, usually every time after. So it looks just like this right here where my mouse is. That's good. That means we're going to get a leg up. So Verge, maybe, this probably won't happen until next week, but if you can get in, in the 15, 18 cent range, you're looking solid. I would hop in anywhere between 15 and 18 cents, and you can probably flip it and sell it, at 22, 23, if you're a trader. If not, if you're a long-term investor, get in, because I think Verge has plenty of upside this year. Let's see, another one that I'm looking at, ADA. It's a popular one. ADA, this is a nice little... Ooh, see, ADA, you see this in the stock market. If you notice this huge spike right here. Here, let me put it on the other bigger chart here. See, this is okay. See, it's not coming up on here. Okay, this is just a glitch in Binance. Cool. Let's keep looking. ADA, this is a beautiful chart. You had some upside, leveled off. The technicals had to cool off for a minute. It's completely overbought at this point, and then it ripped again. It was at 90 RSI, so it definitely needs a cool down. But this is a healthy pullback. Picture in the next. This is a 1-day chart, so think about it. What tomorrow? This will be extended a little bit. You can pretty much that'll come out. We can, bring this out a little bit. So this is healthy. It'll pull back. You could probably get in around, about 5,000 Satoshi and get ready for another leg up if everything goes according to plan. But it's going to come down. Tomorrow you should see ADA dip down to about, right around this level right here. And then probably, by weekend time, this will be, ADA looks awesome. So if you guys are looking for a nice little trade, you can probably get in around 70 cents and ride it possibly up to $1. Up here, I know ADA was over $1. It was like $1.10 right here at the high. So this to me is a good buy too. Take advantage of these corrections. Like yesterday and today, kind of been a bloodbath for alts. So definitely take advantage of these cheap prices right now. Let's see, what else we got? Oh, AST. This is a long-term a guy that I follow named Ryan Hildreth. He's an options trader. He's a crypto trader. He tipped me off to AST, and the charts look beautiful. So it's got a ton of room for upside. It has the MACD looks like it's gonna have to take a turn for the bearish or take a turn for the worse, but it has these moving averages coming up for support, so it'll meet it halfway. Nice consolidation. And next week, I think alts are going to make a comeback. So, if you can get in at these cheap levels and just hold out till next week, I think you'll be happy. Again, any tickers that you guys have, just let me know. And I'm only going to do 2 more. These are a couple of the ones I follow. So let's check this out. Yeah, REQ. We'll go to the big one. Let's see here. REQ, look, we're bouncing beautifully. We're about to bounce. It's going to test this moving average right here, the 25-day moving average. It's going to test that. It might bounce. RSI is trending down. It had the bearish MACD cross, so it might dip below it. But if that support holds, we'll let the technicals cool off, and this should take, it should test all-time highs in a couple of days. But again, if we lose this support, we can come way down here and test these previous levels. REQ is up in the air. I haven't done too much research on the white papers, but or any of the fundamentals for that matter, but it is tradable. This one is, it's kind of volatile. It moves a little bit, and so I have gone and traded this a couple of times. The last one I'll do, Power. I like Power. Power's a good one. Let me look at this 1 day. Okay, yeah, we're this is a perfect example of like a coil, like consolidation pattern. You have a high, you have a lower high, and you have a low, and you have a lower low. So it's just coiling up, it's consolidating. It's gonna break out one way or another. At the moment, if I had to guess, I have the feeling we're gonna see some downside. So look for this to be support right here, this the lowest low. So we're looking at 77,000 Satoshi. If that breaks, we're going down to probably test these levels over here. So if you're looking in to get into REQ, which is, well, I can't even remember the name of that company, Quest or something. Yeah, if you're looking to get in here, you could hop in around 51,000 Satoshi, because well, we have to see if this low holds. If it doesn't hold, we're seeing more downside. But it looks just from the charts, it looks like we're going to see some more downside on that one. Yeah, this looks kind of ugly. And yeah, that's it for the. I guess I'll finish with the big names, Bitcoin and Ethereum. Get an idea where those are going. So in my last video, if you watched it, I had these trend lines going down. If we zoom in here, look, I think we were like right around here. Oh no, we were right around here when I made the video. This is a 1-day chart. Let's go to 45-minute. So clearly still in this downtrend. Bitcoin has not recovered on this downtrend. Let's see where we're gonna go here. It looks like it's holding this 25-day moving average though. So as long as it's holding that, you know, we'll be all right. But if this breaks, we're looking at this line that I made yesterday right here. We're looking at this one. This will be the new support, and if that breaks, we're seeing some more downside in Bitcoin, probably testing this area right here. So Bitcoin doesn't look too bullish right now, but we'll see. But yeah, if you have Bitcoin, get ready for some more downside. Last but not least, let's check out Ethereum. Ethereum is a fucking beast, pardon my French. But yeah, look at all these moving averages trending up. This is perfect. Let me put on the Bollinger Band real quick. Look, see, it's above the upper band, which means that it's in a full-on uptrend until it starts drifting away or diverging from that upper band. That means we're you know, the uptrend is about to be over, but we're still clearly in this uptrend. RSI is extremely overbought, but for some reason, Ethereum, no one cares. People are still buying this shit up, rightfully so. With Bitcoin down like this, people are looking to put it in something. So Ethereum's a monster. It's currently at all-time highs. So, you know, for now, tomorrow I'll give you guys an update, but you know, in the near future, we're golden for Ethereum. If you're holding Ethereum, you're happy. So just keep an eye on this upper Bollinger Band. As soon as it's the price or the candlestick starts drifting away from it, you can probably sell, take some profits, and we'll look for a pullback coming down to meet these moving averages. But Ethereum looks like a beast right now. All right, y'all. We'll call it a night with that, and thanks for watching. Again, leave tickers in the comments, and I'll make a video and, you know, give you guys some short-term, long-term outlook, just based on technicals. I don't know much about the fundamentals. I don't read white papers. So if you guys just want a technical breakdown of your ticker or your coin, leave it in the comments. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.